there, tech buddies! I'm Poodle. Today, we're learning how to organize, save, upload, and download our digital work. Oh, what a mess, Tech Rex! You have to learn how to keep things organized. You know how you keep worksheets in folders at school? Your computer works just like that. You can make digital folders to organize your files, keeping everything neat and easy to find. Let's learn how to handle digital files correctly. Some of you separate your worksheets by subjects within the actual folder, right? Similarly, within folders, we tend to group similar files together so you can find them easily. Saving your file means keeping your work safe on your device so it doesn't disappear. A special window will appear asking where you want to put your file. Give it a clear name, something short and simple so you can find it easily. Choose a folder, just like choosing which shelf to put your favorite book on. On a tablet, look for the Save button. Then, name your file before saving. To upload means to send your file from your device to a website. If you are uploading something on SLS, this is what you can do. Once uploaded, you'll see your file inside the assignment space. Teachers can open it to check your work. Downloading means copying a file from the internet into your device. Downloaded files usually go to your Downloads folder or Projects folder on your school laptop. If you're on a tablet, check the Files app to find your files. Alright, tech buddies, let's level up your organizing skills. Try creating your very own folder. Give it a name, like My Schoolwork or Term 1 Projects. Move at least one file, like an image or a document, into your new folder. Folders help keep things tidy, so let's get sorting. So let's wrap up what we have learned, tech buddies. Great job today! You're on your way to becoming an expert organizer of the digital world.